Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we're looking at a log home today, and got it's got Sikkens Prolux stain on it, and they've lived here 5 years, and all the damage seems to be located on the southeast side, and you can see here where some upward facing checks have been caulked, like over there, and we've got some repairs that were done with epoxy up there and over there, but anyway, those spots are soft, and we're gonna do some refacing here. These look like an 8-inch Swedish cope. Let me check that. Oh, it's not a Swedish cope. It's the double tongue and groove, and it's just under 8 inches. So anyway, ooh, that one looked deep. So we're probing it with good old-fashioned ice pick, and trying to figure out what we got to do here. I can't believe that flashing around that window doesn't leak. I've never seen that done around a arch before. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.